Why do you actually want to be productive? Why do you want to be able to get work done easily and not procrastinate? Is it because it feels bad when you procrastinate and be unproductive and have a full to-do list that you know you can't tackle? Do you want good grades? Do you want money so you can retire your parents and buy the material things that you perceive as success? Not knowing why you actually want to be productive could be the reason you struggle with procrastination. And in this video, I'm going to help you break it down and help you link something tangible to hopefully give you a bit of motivation to get completing the tasks that you've been putting off for the last couple of days. Hello, I'm Dylan, I'm 18 and I coach unproductive people to turn productive using tactical techniques and strategies that have changed my life forever. I spent over 5,000 hours or 210 days straight playing Call of Duty and other such video games, wasting my life away, and now I effortlessly and easily breeze through large banks of my work for my business, education and personal development goals. And I speak to people a lot. I coach people in productivity and I help them turn productive and beat procrastination easily and effectively. And a lot of them don't know why they want to be productive. You speak to them and they just want to improve. They want to get good grades, they want to make a success, but they don't actually know what a success means to them. If I gave you £1,000 right now, what would you spend it on? It's completely disposable. You've already got an investment. It's disposable income. What would you spend £1,000 on? What would you spend it on? Whether it be something for your mum, something for your dad, something for your siblings. What would you spend £1,000 on? See, me personally, after buying gifts for my family, being nice, I would buy a camera to improve the quality of my YouTube videos, as I know that's a useful investment. I'd buy a Garmin so I can track my health and track my heart rate variability, my sleep, get a sleep score. I think it'd be really cool and useful. I'd also buy a microphone so I can improve my YouTube videos and the quality again therefore, as I know it's a valuable investment. What would you buy if I gave you £1,000 right now? What would you buy? And if you don't know the answer, this could be why you're struggling with procrastination, because there's no tangible link to the work you're completing. I am taking the assumption that you're a young entrepreneur who's watching this video because they're struggling to get work done in the tasks that they need to complete for their business and their endeavor. However, if you are a student and you're watching this and you want good grades, why do you want good grades? If I gave you 4 A stars right now for your A-level studies, what would you even do with them? Would you go to university? Which university would you go to? Which subject would you study in university? Having this tangible link to the work you're completing and why you're completing it and what you're going to use with the results you gain from completing this work in an efficient and effective manner could relink the motivation to something physical, to something you can actually quantify as success, rather than this arbitrary term of achievement and success. So I have 2 actionable steps for you in this video. There's 2 routes. Number 1, design your dream life, your apartment, your job, your friends, your day-to-day routine, the food you eat on a daily basis, the time you wake up, the time you go to sleep, your favorite pastime, your favorite hobby, where your money's invested, what's your family doing, how are you supporting your family, how many kids do you have, who do you live with, do you live with a partner, are you married, are you single, what technology do you have, how many times do you go to the gym? Every single detail you can think of in your dream life, write it down, quantify it, and it'll be really useful to see, to aim, to strive towards something tangible that you can actually feel, think about, rather than this arbitrary term of success. So design your dream life with all the criteria I've mentioned and anything else you can think that's necessary. Go meticulous, go autistic, go detailed in what you want your dream life to look like. And I think you'll find a little bit more motivation when you think about this rather than the arbitrary term of success. You're hyping yourself up. I got to do this work because I want to get success. It's not quite the same as I got to get this piece of business work done because I want my dream life to come to actuality. I want everything I've wrote down to come to reality because I know it would make me happy. I know it would fulfill me, and I know it would fulfill the other people in my life. The second actionable step in this video is similar to what we were talking about at the start. If I gave you £1,000 of disposable income, what would you spend it on? Create this tangible link between you and some sort of materialistic desire. So your savings are sorted, your investments are sorted. This is money you can generally spend and invest on yourself. What are you going to buy to improve your life or improve the lives of people around you? Whether it's spending money on your parents, spending money on your siblings, spending money on your partner, spending money on yourself and your business to improve the output or the input of the work you're completing. What are you going to spend this £1,000 I give you on? Write it down, be specific, be meticulous on the price of the things that you're going to buy, and create this tangible link to success. Create this tangible link of what you're going to get when you get this success, this monetary success you're striving towards. What are you going to use it for? And once you have this tangible link, once you have this actual thing, this thing in reality that you can buy, you can hold, you can utilize, you can give to people, I'm sure you'll find a deeper motivation to the work you're completing, because now instead of hyping yourself up, we need to get this done because we're going to be successful, etc. We're going to get this done because I can then buy a camera which is going to improve the quality, make more money in the future, or I'm going to get this done so I can finally buy my mum that handbag that she's always wanted. When you quantify, when you create this tangible link between something you can physically hold, you can imagine the feel, the texture, how it moves, whether it's your first car, how it's going to sound, you changing the gears, when you can visualize what you actually want rather than this arbitrary term of success, then I'm sure you'll find it a lot more useful for you in your productive journey. So figuring out why you actually want to be productive might be the one thing that helps you turn productive. And I understand this video was slightly more arbitrary, not as actionable in terms of the physiological or neurobiological hacks that I usually give. But if you're looking to get more advice from me for free, this is a playlist of 101 productivity guides for you in your productive journey. And if you're looking to get more interpersonal work with me one-on-one with the productivity package in the top link in the description, which has everything you need to turn productive. Video guides, audio guides, my personal phone number so I can hold your hands through the trials and tribulations of productivity, and a free high quality physical planner for you and your journey to becoming disciplined and driven to complete the tasks that you struggle to complete. If that sounds interesting, check it out. I appreciate you for watching. Thank you.